this moment, I'm happy to inform you that ultimately the truth has come out and the truth prevails for not only for Meghalaya alone, but also for this fashion of incident that has happened and keep happening throughout India. So therefore, of course, from the government side and from the people of the state of Meghalaya, we convey our condolences to the family members, the bereaved family of late Sri Raja. Right from day one till today, we convey our condolences and we hope God will ultimately solace their comfort for all of them.
Thank you, sir. Also, as Home Minister, you must have found all the details of the police investigation. This killer here, Sonam, she quickly made an exit. So have you found out how all these, her and her accomplices left Meghalaya, how quickly they left Meghalaya after the murder?
Yes, as per the investigation, as per the homework done by the Meghalaya State Police, we found out that on the 23rd itself, the moment the operation was completed, she went back from, she left Meghalaya, she left Sora and she left Shillong the same day itself. And on the 24th again, it seems she traveled by train to different destination altogether. And it was so fortunate that after the detailed homework done by the Meghalaya police and with the help of the counterpart police from UP as well as from Madhya Pradesh, we were able to arrest all the 4 main accused in this killing. And today morning, we were ultimately confirmed the confession made by the accused 1, 2, 3, and 4 that Sonam was the main accused in the incident that has taken place on the 23rd of last month.
Right. Mr. Chinsong, I thank you very much. And I want to say this, that Meghalaya is one of the most beautiful places in the country. I've spent my years in school there. I was a student at St. Edmunds. The Northeast is one of the most tourist welcoming places for tourism in India. And these wrong assumptions one should not make. But I thank you for a quick investigation. You've done a great job, sir. And, you know, we hope that Meghalaya tourism will not be affected at all.
Thank you so much, Sonam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.